Spicy noodles. You will need 2 noodle nests, half a pack of stir-fry veg, half a teaspoon of chilli flakes, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, oil, soy sauce and 2 garlic cloves. Soak the noodles in boiling water. Peel and chop the garlic. Cut the ends off the onion and peel. Cut in half and then dice. Drain the noodles and rinse in cold water. Fry the garlic and onion in a little oil. Add the spices and chilli flakes. Add the noodles to the pan. Add the veg. Add the soy sauce. Stir everything together. Spoon into bowls. Pour over some more soy sauce and enjoy.